Hi guys, I want to show you how to prepare the Japanese garlic fried rice in this video. I learned this recipe from a chef who worked in a Japanese restaurant before, but I'm not claiming this is 100% authentically Japanese because I improvised it by using a Chinese wok to fry the rice over a high-power stove to generate extra wok aroma. But the hero of this recipe is the garlic, and he particularly emphasized on how important it is to fry the garlic to perfection. Let's take a look at how to prepare the Japanese garlic fried rice. The major ingredients besides the rice are garlic, the scallion, and some eggs. You can either choose to chop or thinly slice the garlic. You notice that we use quite a large amount of garlic. It's 5 cloves of garlic for one big portion of fried rice. You also need 1 large stalk of scallion. Cut the scallion into very short sections. Set them aside, and now we move on to fry the garlic. I learned how to prepare the Japanese garlic fried rice from a chef working in a Japanese restaurant. According to him, the secret of preparing this Japanese garlic fried rice is the perfect timing and the temperature to fry the garlic. So this is the most crucial step in the recipe. Add the garlic and fry over low heat. Keep the temperature consistent so that the oil is lightly bubbling around the garlic and with a soft sizzling sound. It is also important to stir regularly to ensure even browning. When the garlic starts changing color, reduce the heat further as it will darken quickly. You need to pay attention now because it can burn rapidly and taste bitter. When the garlic becomes just slightly fall short of golden, pour the garlic and oil through a wire mesh strainer. If you remove the garlic from heat when it reaches the desired color, it will continue to darken when you pour and drain it, and the final result will be darker than you expect. Since I've cooked the rice a day before, I can now proceed to fry the rice straight away. We're gonna use the garlic oil that we made just now. Heat a large ladle of garlic oil in the wok. Swirl the oil to coat the entire wok surface. Then remove the excess oil. Now let's start with cooking the egg partially before we add the rice. Swirl around the wok to thin out the egg liquid. When the egg starts to thicken, break up the egg into pieces with the spatula. Pour the cooked rice into the wok when the eggs are not yet fully solidified. Part of the egg will coat the rice grains, while the other half will turn into bright yellow pieces of cooked eggs. Continue stir-frying the egg and rice and break up the lumps of rice with the wok spatula. This step will separate all the rice grains and enable them to be coated by the oil, resulting in fried rice that is free-flowing and not lumpy. Now season the rice with light soy sauce. Salt. mirin, and sake. You can also add some sesame oil and ground pepper if you wish. When the rice is getting drier, return the fried garlic to the wok. You can also add the chopped scallion now. Now turn to high heat. Stir fry swiftly and keep flipping the rice so that each rice grain will contact the hot surface in a split second. High heat is a secret of creating the wok aroma. Quick stir fry can prevent the rice from getting burned. The chef will achieve it by toasting the wok quickly, but flipping with the wok spatula will yield the same result. High heat stir frying should be within half to 1 minute. The rice will become dry inside if you keep stir frying at this temperature. Once it's done, remove the rice immediately from the wok to prevent it from getting burnt. The wok aroma is most apparent when the Japanese garlic fried rice is served immediately. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like this Japanese garlic fried rice recipe. If you want to download the recipe or get more information, I have included the link to the blog post in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and give me a like. Until the next video, I'll see you again soon. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.